Hey everybody, Varun here from 𝗙𝗿𝗀𝗀. Guys, welcome back to another video. This video we are going to look at two new question types which PT has recently introduced in the speaking module. We will be covering each and everything in this video. What you need to do, why are the questions being introduced, are the questions marked, what do you need to do, what templates you need to follow, and every question you have asked me over the last few days. I'm a bit late in making this video because was a bit occupied with something, but I'm going to clear everything in this video. First of all, what is going on? From December 11th, 2023 till end of January 2024, PT is testing two new question types in PT academic test and PT UKVI test as well. Two new question types will appear in your speaking module. Why is PT doing so? PT is trying to research and see how users will respond to these question types. Basically, what I think is PT is planning to introduce these two question types in PT academic test or maybe in PT core test as well. There's another test coming up, PT core by PT, which is applicable for Canadian immigration or migration, you can say. And what I believe is that PT is collecting data for those particular tests or these question types so that AI can use that data to evaluate your responses whenever these two questions are introduced in the test. For now, these two questions will be unmarked, means in PT academic and UKVI, these are just for testing purposes. You will not be given any points for attempting these correctly, or you will not lose any points for attempting these ones incorrectly. What are the two question types? First is a discussion, that you have to summarize a discussion, and the other one is responding to a situation. You will be given a situation and audio along with the text on your screen. For example, you want to take holiday from your school, XYZ is the reason, please describe the situation, something like that. You will have to give your response in 40 seconds, similar to what you do in retail lecture. So this will be the situation based question where you will be given a situation and you'll have to give the response on the situation in 40 seconds. The second question type will be discussion based. You will hear a discussion between three people. Over here, the audio will be a bit long, and then once the audio stops, your recording will start and you will have to basically summarize the discussion, whatever discussion was going on. Both of these question types are new. These can appear anywhere in the speaking module. It's not that they will come after read aloud or before describe image, something like that. Can appear anywhere. How do you identify these? You just need to look for the word discussion or situation in the question prompt. If you see the word discussion or you see the word situation in the question, means these are the new testing questions and these are not evaluated or marked, and you don't really need to worry about these ones. Now, a lot of students do ask me, how do we attempt them? My honest opinion or suggestion about this is, do not attempt these, because when you go and attempt these and if you make any mistake, you'll be nervous, you won't be able to perform better in the tasks which are actually graded. So situation and discussion type questions, the new test questions in your speaking module, I would say as soon as you get this question, let the question finish, and as soon as the recording starts, just click on next. You are not going to lose any points. I don't want you to spend time, attempt this task, and then be nervous, think about it, make mistakes, and panic. Just focus on 5 tasks in speaking: read aloud, repeat sentence, describe image, read a lecture, answer short questions. These two new question types, just skip these totally. 100% fine to skip these, and you are not going to lose any points. If you still want to attempt it, I can give you another option how you can do it. You can do it like you do your retail lecture. There will be audio in both the question type, situation and discussion both, right? While the audio is going on, just take down important keywords. Your recording starts, you just look at the keywords. A was the main topic of the lecture. First point in the lecture was about this, another point in the lecture was about this, or you can say he told about this, he told about this. But again, if you really want to attempt it, go it this way, means you can attempt it the way you attempt your retail lecture, but I'll highly recommend skip these two questions completely. I don't really want you to waste your time and effort over here and put your effort on tasks which will be actually graded. I'll quickly summarize the video again for you. Nothing has changed. PT is testing or doing a trial for two new question types which may be added in one of the tests. I believe these two questions will be added in PTE core test, which is coming very soon. It will be added somewhere in the future. For now, these two question types are not graded, means even if you do them correctly or you do not attempt them at all, these are not going to impact your speaking or your overall scores. These two questions can appear anywhere in the speaking module. You just need to be careful. How do you identify these two question types? You can look for the word situation or discussion in the question prompt. Should you attempt these ones? I would say do not attempt once the audio finishes, because you will not be able to move on to the next question until the audio finishes. So once the audio finishes and your recording starts, straight away click on the next button and move on. If you still want to attempt these ones, you can attempt these similar to your retail lecture. Take down keywords and repeat the keywords using the template. That is all you have to do. Nothing has changed. Don't stress. This will be there from 11th of December till end of January 2024. Nothing's changed. Keep it simple, keep it real, focus on what is going to give you points in the test, and you'll be 100% fine. Nothing has changed. You see the word discussion or situation in the question prompt, click next as soon as your recording starts and you'll be 100% fine. That is it from this video. If you do have any doubts, any questions, let me know in the comment section. To practice, you can go on languageacademy.com.au. You can get one free full scored mock test once you register on languageacademy.com.au, or you can download LAPT exam practice app as well. We do provide online classes, on-campus classes. We have got campuses in India, Australia, and Nepal. These are the details. You can give us a call and we'll be more than happy to help you. If you need any help, if you need me to cover any other topic, let me know in the comment section and I'll be happy to do it. If the video was helpful, do like, share, and subscribe. And if you ever get your desired scores watching my videos, do let me know. That is something I work for, and that is something which will keep me going on. Varun from Language Academy. Now go on languageacademy.com.au and kickstart your PT journey.